Brats, you know it's hard for me to beat the Bobo VR M2 head strap that I really love for the Quest 2. But some of you out there said it's not for you. It doesn't fit your head, you don't like the way it pushes on the top. So we're gonna continue checking out some more straps for those of you out there who are looking for some more options. Let's open this thing up. All right, we have got the VR Comfort Strap. That's as simple as the name can be. Boom. Wow, this one comes in pieces. In a lot of pieces. Congratulations for hitting the jackpot. Your order, S-free. Not is free, S-free. Please contact us at blah, 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 full refund for you. They're gonna tell you if you give them a great review, they're gonna give you your money back. I think that's actually against Amazon's policies, but hey. All right, must-read installation guide. This does not look like a must-read. We're just gonna go with that. We've done enough of these. We got the back of head thing. It does not have a pretty sounding gear on it. Ooh, it's super loud. We've got a back of head pad. Unlike other ones, so it's gonna look similar to ones you've seen, but they ship this part detached, probably to save them shipping money. So you slip this in, and then you just kind of twist the whole thing around until there's these two dots. You line up these two dots and then you know it's all the way on. And then it's got the same thing for the top. How fun, little assembly required. And then once that's there, you can put your pad on. That wasn't empty. Now that's empty. A little bit different of a design on the side from a lot of the ones you've seen here. It only has one piece, so this is probably gonna stay. It might still turn after, we'll see. I'm guessing what they're doing here is they're making the shipping a lot cheaper so that they can make the strap cheaper than their competitors to try and beat them to selling this. Whew. So this is a snap-on design like some of the ones we've dealt with before. You know how I feel about those. Although that one went on pretty easily. That side didn't go on quite as easily, but it went on. Okay, final product. When you put these snaps on, it actually does stop it from being able to go up and down. So it does have stability. It's not gonna be able to bend on you there. Oh, that gear in the back sounds absolutely terrible. So this is gonna be a head strap for people out there who like a head strap that doesn't feel like it's gonna move on them. For people like me who don't like it pushing on their face or get fatigued by it constantly pushing on their face, this is not the head strap for you. It is putting all the pressure on my face, and I can kind of balance it a little bit with the top and lift some of the weight off, but it's definitely pressing against my face. You're gonna get serious VR face from wearing this. A weird thing about it, this bottom piece, at least for my head shape, completely unnecessary. This isn't touching me at all. I can even take that off and I don't notice a difference because it's balancing all the weight up here and then across the back of my head. So I don't know why they added that. Oof. The gear does not give you any faith in the product though. The gear is frightening. It's another one to add to the pile of cheap head straps that I personally just don't find comfortable. There may be some of you out there that have tried this and say, oh, well, for my head shape, it was perfect. I would love to hear about that in the comments and let me know if you like this thing, but it's not something I'm gonna recommend. I'm not gonna put a link in the description because there's tons of other head straps like this, ones that have been around, that are tried and proven, and that actually touched on the back of my head, actually supported from the bottom too, not just from the back. So it's just another cheap, most likely drop shipped head strap that I gotta say is just, you know, it's probably better than the stock one, but it's probably not worth the money you're gonna put into it. So that's my opinion. Let me know if yours differs in the comments. I wanna say thank you so much for hanging out with me here today. I hope this video brightened your day a little bit, and I will see you in another reality.